Global warming. Global warming has developed over recent years due to the increased dependence on fossil fuels. The most notable fossil fuel that people have become dependent on is the usage of gasoline. There are different groups that are in favor of fixing the issue of global warming and the problems that it causes. The groups in favor of a change in the way people use these resources are trying to motivate people to use more renewable energy resources rather than non-renewable energy. The effects of global warming. The ice melting worldwide, especially near the Earth's poles. Increased precipitation of rain and snowfall worldwide. Extinction of certain groups of animals due to the climate changes. Sea levels rising, making floods more common, and warmer ocean waters, which can lead to more hurricanes. You can see in Figure 1 an example of what melting poles looks like. Ways to prevent global warming. Increased use of renewable energy resources. Increased use of electric cars rather than gasoline or fuel cars, or use of a hybrid car like the Toyota Prius, which uses less gasoline per mile. Use of wind turbines for electricity. Wind turbines are a source of renewable energy, and they are more eco-friendly than non-renewable energy sources. Solar energy is another example of a renewable energy source. You can see in Figure 2 an example of a wind turbine field. In Figure 3, you can see what a hybrid vehicle looks like. They also generate without the use of mine, transport, and store. Wind power also has no emissions, cooling water, water pollution, and no waste. The government's role in global warming. The United States government has encouraged the use of hybrid cars by making lanes on highways available for cars with hybrid stickers on them. This decision has provided incentives for people to go out and buy hybrid automobiles instead of buying SUV vehicles that consume significantly more gasoline. Every year, the topic of global warming is used in many different political debates, as it has become a major issue with many different arguments. Another area where many people think government should intervene is to tax/increase taxes on resources that are burning fossil fuels. If this were to take place, people would be less likely to become dependent if they had to pay more money for using them. Al Gore. Al Gore is the most notable name behind the efforts of saving the planet and eliminating causes of global warming. He has created different ways in teaching Americans of what they are doing wrong and what they need to start doing in order to save our environment. One way in which Gore made an attempt to educate America on this major issue was in 2006 when he created his documentary An Inconvenient Truth. You can see in Figure 4 a picture of what Al Gore looks like when discussing this issue. Non-renewable energy sources. The use of wind turbines and solar energy can be too expensive for some Americans. The style/appearance of a hybrid car isn't the same as some regular vehicles. Some Americans are just too uneducated on this topic and don't know any better than what they're already doing. These are all reasons why people continue to use non-renewable energy resources. On this slide you could see my works cited for this whole presentation, which brings my presentation to a conclusion. Thank you.